Planning your Vietnam trip in July? You might be wondering, is it too hot or too rainy? Don't worry, July is a fantastic month to explore Vietnam if you know where to go. In this video, we'll cover everything Indian travelers need: weather, best regions, festivals, and travel tips to make the most of your journey. July is midsummer in Vietnam. Warm, tropical, and vibrant. Northern Vietnam has short rains but lots of sunshine. Temperatures range between 26 degrees Celsius to 33 degrees Celsius. Great for trekking or city walks. Central Vietnam, including Da Nang and Hoi An, is dry and sunny, perfect for beaches. Southern Vietnam sees quick afternoon showers, but mornings and evenings are clear. If you love nature, the mountains in northern Vietnam, like Sapa and Ha Giang, are stunning in July. Lush green hills, clear skies, and cool air around 20 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. It's a great time for trekking, visiting ethnic villages, and photographing misty valleys. In Hanoi, July brings warm sunshine with an occasional drizzle. Visit the Old Quarter, try Vietnamese iced coffee, and enjoy evening walks around Hoan Kiem Lake. Just a few hours away, Ninh Binh is filled with green rice fields. Take a boat trip through Tam Coc or Trang An for peaceful scenery. July is one of the best months for central Vietnam. Da Nang's beaches are calm and sunny. Hoi An glows every night with lanterns, and Hue offers peaceful temples and royal architecture. It's perfect for family holidays and couples looking for a quiet getaway. Down south, Ho Chi Minh City stays lively all July. You might see a few quick showers, but that doesn't stop the fun. Visit Ben Thanh Market, take a Mekong Delta cruise, and end your trip on Phu Quoc Island, where sunsets are simply magical. July is considered a moderate tourist season in Vietnam. There are fewer crowds compared to peak months like December or January, and you can often find better prices on flights, hotels, and tours. Popular places like Ha Long Bay, Da Nang, and Hoi An are still lively but more relaxed, making it easier to enjoy sightseeing and take beautiful photos without the rush. If you prefer a peaceful trip with good value for money, July is one of the best times to visit. July in Vietnam also brings a few unique local festivals that give travelers a glimpse into the country's rich culture and traditions. One of the most notable is the Do Son Buffalo Fighting Festival in Haiphong, where locals celebrate bravery and strength through traditional buffalo fights. In the central region, the Hue Festival of Folk Songs and Cuisine showcases local art, music, and regional dishes. Around mid-July, the 15th day of the lunar month, Vietnamese people also observe Vu Lan Festival, a Buddhist day honoring parents and ancestors. Temples across the country are beautifully decorated with candles and flowers. Experiencing these events lets you see the heart of Vietnamese culture beyond the usual tourist spots. If you're visiting Vietnam in July, bring a light raincoat or umbrella for quick showers, and don't forget sunscreen and water to stay cool. Try local dishes like Pho Cho, Banh Mai, and coconut coffee, and keep some cash for markets. Most of all, smile. Vietnamese people are friendly and love warm visitors. If you're visiting Vietnam in July, start in Sapa for cool mountain views and trekking trails, then cruise and kayak through Ha Long Bay's emerald waters. Head to Da Nang and Hoi An for sunny beaches and charming lantern nights. Explore Ho Chi Minh City for shopping and street food, and end your trip relaxing in the Mekong Delta or on Phu Quoc Island. Whether you're after peaceful beaches, mountain adventures, or vibrant cities, Vietnam in July welcomes you with warmth and color. Plan your dream holiday now with vietnamtour.in, your trusted partner for tours, hotels, and visa support for Indian travelers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your travel month below.